Oh my god. Chat, I'm putting you guys on my head. Let me know if this looks fine. Okay. You know, turn this way. Make sure it's 0.5. Is there? F1 turn, downshift, go. Brake, turn, brake, good, brake. Brake. Oh my god! 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 Holy! I'm gonna go back around and do it again, and yeah. Let me like try to fix my camera a little bit. I'm gonna make the shit sit low real quick. I'm gonna make it a little better for you guys. Yeah. Really can't see shit, but let's go. Let me try to get like some outside views. We're outside, BMW 3355, you know, that shit was fucking fun, bro. All right, let's do it again. Wow. Seatbelt first, always. There's a fucking Wendy's bag in here, don't mind me. It's dirty car, it's kind of dirty. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah, I'm about to go. broke the car. The shit broke. Shit broke. Shit broke, chat. Chat, the shit broke. Hold on. Shit broke. Shit broke. Malfunction. Malfunction. Click this. Oh my god. Holy. Oh yeah, we're in drive. Yeah, shit broke, bro. Damn it. Here we go again. Yeah, let's keep fucking going. Just stop downshifting, bro. That's what I need to do, bro. Just stop fucking downshifting. Bro. It said transmission malfunction. Transmission malfunction is crazy, chat. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was funny, bro. Never doing that shit again, man. Holy. Oh my gosh. That was just so scary, bro. No, I can't do that again, man. It's alright though, like this car's alright. But it said a malfunction because I downshifted like 50 times. Not 50 times, I'm gonna be honest. I did it like 4 times. I was in 4th gear and I literally downshifted all the way to 1 and I was like, why is it not moving, right? And then as soon as I gas it, just like, oh my gosh. But yeah, this is it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch up boys later.
3 grand with this stuff. Small ones, I can't feel nothing. You poppin' your shit. I didn't put ice on my wrist. See a demon, see a sledge. In the field, color blitz. Working on shows, okay. CDG coil is cold, okay. Walking up here with a whole lot of bags. Smoking on gas is all that I understand.